A headlight is a lamp attached to the front of a vehicle to light the road ahead. Choosing the right headlight bulbs can be very simple, but selecting an appropriate one is always very tricky. Thus, if you're in search of buying a new one, then check out our new video to get details about the latest products available in the market. The SiriusLED X2 Xenon offers an improved technology to provide a perfect light beam pattern, aviation-grade aluminum heatsink with built-in fan for optimal heat dissipation. It allows easy plug-and-play installation, fits directly into stock housing and sockets. Also, it has an IP65 rating, which ensures durability and weatherproofing even in extreme conditions, over 30,000 hours of continuous use. These are incredibly bright LED chips, double-sided, producing 8,000 total lumens output. Besides, it uses an aviation-grade aluminum heatsink with a built-in fan for optimal heat dissipation. The zdatt H11 Fog Light offers an aluminum casing, high optical density, powerful built-in 12,000 RPM turbo cooling fan, twice faster heat dissipation than generic bulbs. It has an all-in-one aluminum material and design which makes it easy to install. It has 4 sides lightning 360-degree LED lighting, which emits a super bright and clear beam pattern without any dark spots for foggy light. It is 200% brighter than halogen headlights and uses the newest LED optics technology to ensure that it lights up the road in a more full and more average beam to create a safe visual driving experience. Also, it provides secure temp and lets your LED headlight bulbs work over 50,000 hours of brilliant continuous light. The OPT7 Fluxbeam H13 has an exclusive Auxbeam lens technology which is crafted around the powerful Cree MK-R to provide the only LED headlight with the proper beam patterns. It achieves full 6000K daytime white brightness instantly with zero lag. Also, it is the only LED which uses crystal clear technology that gives scatter-free clear light. It uses powerful 7,000 RPM turbo cool fan which cools with twice as much force as generic fans. The cold pressed aluminum heatsink stays 30% cooler than standard. Also, it is watertight sealed with rust-proof aluminum and made to last as long as the LED itself. Besides, it syncs with LED ASIC chip to monitor fan speed for optimal heat protection and performance. The Cougar Motor H1 offers full aluminum housing 7,000 RPM turbo cool fan to ensure your LED headlight bulbs over 50,000 hours of brilliant continuous light. It uses the latest technology to provide a perfect beam pattern without any dark spots or gray light. These bulbs are CAN bus ready and will work with most vehicles' computer system without error. Also, it lasts more than 50,000 hours and works underwater. Rainproof driver, housing, and fan work even in extreme situations. Besides, it uses cool white 6000K and high luminous efficacy flux up to 7200 LM per pair, which is 200% brighter than your stock halogen headlights. The SNGL Super Bright LED includes the necessary LED anti-flicker to ensure safe and successful install. It has brightest LED headlight bulbs available, pumping out crystal clear 6000K bright white focus light pattern at 55 watt brightness output per bulb. It uses exclusive adjustable beam technology in which the LED direction and depth are adjustable for optimal output in a variety of housings. It enables constant cooling of the LEDs, ensuring the highest light quality and color and consistent brightness output. Also, it is made from the best components and high quality materials. This is the perfect upgrade for headlights and fog lights. In at first place, we have the Auxbeam F16 Series 9006. It throws super bright light on the road evenly at appropriate angle without dark spots, foggy light. It has soft white light in stable beam pattern, will not dazzle oncoming traffic. The 6000K white light reflects road signs and road paint better to show you a more precise road situation. It includes a control driver that helps get optimal heat protection and performance. Also, it comes with two pieces of 9006 HB4 HB4U single beam headlight bulbs, each with two pieces of high power Cree chips. Besides, it offers IP65 waterproof and 360 degrees beam angle, which ensures a comfortable drive at night. Thanks for watching. Take a moment to appreciate our work by hitting the like button. If you'd like to see more from us in the future, then go ahead and hit the subscribe and bell icons.